Hello everyone, this is Babby here with my little brother, Awesome Boy 2017. Say hi!
Hi!
And today we're going to be going through this game called Red Plumber Obby. Isn't that right?
Yes!
Actually, this game was out for a long time, since 2008. When I played it, it was more so based on Mario, but they ended up having to change it because Nintendo filed a DMCA strike against the game.
What's happening to my game? My game is doing not right. Why am I getting that right? It's so good.
See, we're at the first level. Gotta avoid all of the Goombas.
I can't see that way. I'm under there. There we go. How I do that? Goombas.
There we go.
Okay, let's get. Never mind.
Well, you're dead. Again.
No! Don't start out. No? How? We're still at the person.
We're both a little sick right now, so you'll have to just bear that in mind when you hear us coughing and such. He's almost back. There we go.
My game is not really working. Oh, that's easy.
Go.
What to do?
Yeah, what's going on with this Android camera? It's not supposed to.
Yeah.
Here we are at the second stage, Turtle Canyon. There we go. Got it.
No, I'm the pants.
While we wait for my brother to figure that out, I'm gonna take you through more of the, what is it, Turtle Canyon. I just find that really funny, the fact that by replacing the Mario pictures, they just made like crude drawings that just barely represent the characters enough, but not to the point where Nintendo can file a strike against them.
It's boom. My game is not working. I'm gonna beat this. Come on. This game is so mean. I need help.
Now the camera's not moving with the thumbstick, and you can get to the game action.
I definitely fraud. I could climb.
I know what I'm doing.
You tried to make me fall.
No, I'm not.
You
There, you can see me. You can see yourself on my camera. There we go.
I found a brown.
Surprise! Now we're going to pipe.
Which
There's the
one?
desert.
Not moving.
Now you gotta press this thing in the corner. You see?
Whoa!
Avoid the cactus.
I just didn't avoid the cat. This. I definitely can't do
Don't mind me, I'm just having some sparkling water. Lemon sparkling water. My dad gave this to me. I don't know what the appeal of sparkling water is. It's always the most diluted tasting thing in the world. I tell you, I think one of the earliest memories I have of Roblox was this a YouTube channel. I'm gonna name drop them. It was Mario 54321. They used to make these little machinimas using Super Mario 64. But there was also this running mini-series. Like they would play like this Roblox recreation of Mario 64. Now the sad thing is that the map that it was based on has since been removed, and I don't think many people have gone to recreate it. But you can still see it on his YouTube channel. Nice. Whoa! Yeah. Okay, now we just do this and come on. You're doing it. Ah, there we go. You're learning quite quick. Look,
This
now
guy.
that's a shy guy. We need to find the key in the maze. Okay?
Let's look over here. I don't want that end.
I found it. Found the key.
Oh, wait, I found a
And there's the
pepper.
pepper. Whoa!
I want the pepper.
The pepper makes it go really fast. See?
I wish I could eat the pepper forever.
Okay, come here.
Try. I don't know where are you.
Right here.
Bye. I need to help you.
Gotta go back inside the pyramid because I have the key. You see?
I have to go back in the
Because the secret is over here. Follow me, okay? Follow me.
I tried.
Oh, okay, I got it. I'm back. Oh, you need the key as well. Okay.
You move my character to the
Yeah, I've never seen those chili peppers before. They must have added them in pretty recently, don't you think?
Yeah, I do. The secret is a little bit awesome. There's a golden key that leads you in. And it takes you somewhere. I don't know where to take you. It's different.
There we go.
What? Wait, what happened? Where are we?
We're at the beach.
I'm going in the water.
That's good.
Oh, I had to avoid the fish. I had to avoid the fish.
You can still touch the fish.
I don't know.
Actually, I think a while back I saw this one picture where someone could straddle along the
I can't touch the fish.
the walls of this. Oh, I guess you can't do that.
Oh, I know what to do.
Okay,
Jump on the
so now I gotta
fish.
do it legit now. That's
I had to jump on the fish. That's gonna be hard. That's definitely gonna be hard. No! Where is this game?
this game is Roblox.
I know this is the main Roblox.
I think this is one of the oldest obbies that still exist, don't you think?
Yeah, I do.
Frankly, I think because this game had a whole bunch of branded characters being used is what introduced me to the game. 'Cause back in the day, I was just obsessed with two things. Super Mario and SpongeBob SquarePants. I had a whole room that was decorated with nothing but like SpongeBob memorabilia, which is either a testament to just how obsessed with branding a young child can
Great,
be,
I fell off.
or just how much Nickelodeon was willing to milk their biggest
This is
cash cow.
hard. This is definitely hard. No! How am I gonna beat this? It's hard.
Oh, you can go here. Well,
How I beat this?
you almost got it, kid.
No!
No, pirate ship. That is fascinating. I didn't even know those existed.
No!
Didn't even know pirate ship. I meant I didn't know that pirate ship was there up until now. I swear. Brain damage or something. There we go.
Finally. Ha! I fell. Not in the other side.
That's a Yoshi. Trust me, this is a Yoshi.
How do I get on Yoshi?
I don't think you can. I think they're just there.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna drown.
No, they're not in the water. You can follow me over here. You know where I am? I'm right here. You see? Peekaboo. Now you're gonna go into this ship right here. Yeah, shipwreck. Yeah, you got it. Do you like hobbies?
Yes, not really.
Yeah, you gotta climb up the seaweed. And then
With that, oh no, oh no.
those stupid fire buddies tried attacking during our festival, so now we gotta avoid those.
Whoa. I have to avoid the monsters. Whoa. We don't go
It's
through
not as tough as I remembered it being as a kid.
I don't want to start over.
We escaped into the volcano. Yeah, then.
I get the steak.
As
Whoa.
you can see, back in 2008, Roblox didn't have quite as advanced the
I'm so bad
building
at
tools as they used to. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it that this is a pineapple, okay?
A pineapple? Why say pineapple?
Because there are pineapples right here.
Avoid the fire. I beat this level. This is hard.
Just gotta avoid the fire, guys.
I know. And I keep hitting them. Hey, you should watch out. You're making me lose the game. Avoid the fire.
I still have to get my other younger brother to do a thing with me. This. But he is 17, and so he's not been very interested
No,
in YouTube.
I need help. I had to spy on the guys. They always spy on me. They always spy on me. They kill me. Whoa.
You can't jump over them? That's ridiculous.
Yes. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. There's something on your head.
It's your hand.
No, it's your head. Are you a pickle? Do you just scoop?
Yeah,
You're so bad with this, I guess.
pretty nice. I tell you, mobile controls are a lot finickier than I expected.
Finicky.
Yeah,
I don't know what's that mean.
it means they're tricky.
Yeah, it's tricky. Oh, that was close. That was a good one. Whoa! That's a
Finally. Okay.
finally. Why is pineapples?
Gotta
No.
do these logs.
That's funny.
I'm just gonna do these logs for you so that you don't have to go through all that again, okay? There you go, we meet up again. Just gotta get into the volcano.
Bye bye. Whoa!
We're a little close, but not super much.
Oh no! Lava steps. Yoink, yoink, yoink. No!
You tried it.
I also
That kills you.
No.
You're going the wrong way.
What way?
I thought that was just an NPC at this point.
This is hard. This is definitely hard. Maybe this jumping is this.
Of course, I died at the last jump.
I died at the second jump. I died at the almost jump.
You just gotta be patient when you jump, okay?
Yeah, this is so hard. Boing, boing. What? There's a lot of obbies in this level. This is the hard level.
Yeah.
Lap slipes. Boing. Wait for me!
Alright.
Are you just leaving it out me in the video?
No.
Bye, I'm leaving.
Goodbye, kid.
You also go. Oh, you heard me. Can you do the Lukey dance? No, I don't fall in the lava. Guys, I don't fall in the lava. This one's a hard one. Whoa, whoa. No, go back. Back at you. Just jump. I jumped and I died.